I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of Victorian age. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 101 to 192 up to part 8. This is ninth part. This is part 9. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस जानना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। अब फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ 193 लिखा हुआ है, हु इज़ द राइटर ऑफ गोबलिन मार्केट? Who is the writer of Goblin Market? These four options are here. Option A, Christina Rossetti. Option B, D.G. Rossetti. Option C, Morris. And option D, Swinburne. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, Christina Rossetti. Christina Rossetti is the correct answer. Option A. Yes. Option A, Christina Rossetti is the correct answer. Now question number 194. Question number 194. Which is considered as the most sensual and complex poem of Christina Rossetti, which is liked by children and adults alike for being a hilarious fantasy? These four options: option A, Goblin Market, option B, Sing Song, option C, The Prince Progress, and option D, Seek and Find. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, Goblin Market. A Goblin Market, option A is the correct answer of 194. Now question number 195. The germ is a general of. The germ is a general of. Option A, Romantic school. Option B, Renaissance. Option C, Chaucerians. And option D, Pre-Raphaelite school. So the correct answer of the germ is a general of pre-Raphaelite school. Pre-Raphaelite school, option D is the correct answer. Now question number 196. A Peasant and Other Poems 1881 was written by. A Peasant and Other Poems 1881 was written by. Option A, Walter Pater. Option B, Swinburne. Option C, D.G. Rossetti. And option D, Christina Rossetti. So which one is the correct answer of 96? Option D, Christina Rossetti is the correct answer. Christina Rossetti is the correct answer. Now question number 197. Which of the following is a work of Christina Rossetti? Which of the following is a work of Christina Rossetti? Option A, The House of Life. Option B, The Face of the Deep. Option C, Sing Song. Option D, The Blessed Damozel. So the correct answer is The Face of the Deep. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 198. Which of the following is not work of Christina Rossetti? इनमें से कौन सा वर्ग जो है वो क्रिस्टीना रोसेटी का नहीं है? ऑप्शन ए, बैलेट्स एंड सोनेट्स. ऑप्शन बी, सीक एंड फाइंड. ऑप्शन सी, कॉल्ड टू बी सेंट. एंड ऑप्शन डी, द फेस ऑफ द डीप. So the correct answer is which of the following is not a work of Christina Rossetti? The correct answer is ballad and sonnets. Now question number 199. Which of the following is a religious prose work? Option A, The House of Life. Option B, Goblin Market. Option C, Called to be Saints. And option D, Lochin Bar. So the correct answer, the religious prose work is Called to be Saint. Option C, Called to be Saint. Now question number 200. Which of the following is Which of the following is a nursery rhyme book of Christina Rossetti? Which of the following is a nursery rhyme book of Christina Rossetti? Option A, Goblin Market. Option B, Sing Song. Option C, Seek and Find. And option D, The Blazed Damozel. The Blazed Damozel. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option B, Sing Song. Sing Song is a nursery rhyme book of Christina Rossetti. Now question number 201. Beside being beside being a scholar, Sir Walter Pater was also an important. जो सर वाल्टर थे वो स्कॉलर के अलावा और क्या थे? ऑप्शन ए प्ले राइट, ऑप्शन बी नॉवलिस्ट, ऑप्शन सी क्रिटिक एंड ऑप्शन डी पोएट. Option D, poet. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Sir Walter Pater was also an important critic. Sir Walter Scott was also an important critic. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 202. Walter Pater किससे बिलोंग करते थे? ऑप्शन ए प्री रैफलेट स्कूल, ऑप्शन बी मेटाफिजिकल स्कूल, ऑप्शन सी रोमांटिक स्कूल एंड ऑप्शन डी क्लासिकल स्कूल. तो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए प्री रैफलेट स्कूल, यानी कि ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 203. Pater became an important influence on the cult of art that led at the end of the century. Pater became an important influence on the cult of art that led at the end of the century. Option A, romantic movement, option B, Oxford movement, option C, aesthetic movement and option D, Italian movement. So option C, Italian aesthetic movement is the correct answer. Now question number 204. Pater's insensibility affected one of the writers most. Name the writer. Pater's sensibility affected one of the writers most. Name that writer. Option A, T.S. Eliot, option B, Oscar Wilde, option C, Troy Lope, option D, Virginia Woolf. So option B, Oscar Wilde is the correct answer of 204. Now question number 205. Some critics of Pater consider it improper to include him as a part of the. Some critics of Pater consider it improper to include him as a part of the. Option A, dissident school, option B, metaphysical school, option C, new classical school and option D, romantic school. So which one is the correct answer? Some critics of Pater consider it improper to include him as a part of the. Option A. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, descendant school. These questions are very useful, dear friends. So listen these questions again and again so that you can keep them in your mind for a long period. Now question number 206. Name the most important work of Walter Pater, a collection of essays on Italian painters and writers from the 14th to 16th century. Option A, The Child in the House, option B, Plato and Plutonium, option C, Studies in the History of the Renaissance and option D, Gaston de Later. So which one is the correct answer of this question? The correct answer of this question is option C, Studies in the history of the Renaissance. Studies in the history of the Renaissance. Now question number 207. Now question number 207. Yes. Now question number 207. Petter's advocacy of fusion of physics, psyche, moral and sensuous ecstasy became a manifesto of the Petter's advocacy of fusion of psyche, moral and sensuous ecstasy became a manifesto of the option A Oxford movement, option B Cavalier movement, option C Jacobean movement, and option D aesthetic movement. Aesthetic movement. So option D aesthetic movement is the correct answer. Now question number 208. Now question number 208. Marius the Epicurean is a Marius the Epicurean is a option A psychological romance, option B philosophical romance, option C artistic romance, and option D nature's romance. So which one is the correct answer of 208? Option B philosophical romance. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 209. Name the unfinished romance of Sir Walter Pater. Option A Gaston de Later. Option B Imaginary Portraits. Option C Marius the Epicurean. Option D The Child in the House. The Child in the House. So which one is the correct answer? Option A Gaston de Later is the correct answer. Now question number 210. Which of the following is not work of Walter Pater? इनमें से कौन सा जो वर्क है वो वाल्टर पेटर का नहीं है? ऑप्शन ए इमेजिनरी पोर्ट्रेट्स, ऑप्शन बी प्लेटो एंड प्लूटोनियस, ऑप्शन सी द फेस ऑफ द डीप, एंड ऑप्शन डी Marius the Epicurean. So the correct answer is option C. The Face of the Deep is not work of Walter Pater. The Face of the Deep is not work of Walter Pater. Yes. This is the yes. Now question number 211. Now question number 211. Out of the following, identify the work of Walter Pater. Option A dramatic dialogue, option B the seven stone of voice, option C a crown of wild olive, and option D appreciation with an essay on style. So option D is the correct answer. Now question number 212. Where was Arthur Clough educated? Option A Eton School and Balliol College, option B Rugby School and Balliol College, option C Eton School and Trinity College, option D Harrow School and Trinity College. So option B Rugby School and Balliol College is the correct answer. Now question number 213. 213 क्वेश्चन है आर्थर ह्यूज क्लाउ came under the influence of a leader of Oxford movement. Name that leader. Arthur Hughes Clough came under the influence of a leader of Oxford movement. Name that leader. Option A George Weil, option B Oscar Wilde, option C Newman, and option D Gaston. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C Newman. Option C Newman is the correct answer. Now question number 214. Arthur Clough became the fellow of. Option A Oriel College, option B Trinity College, option C Balliol College, and option D Sandhurst College. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of 214 is option A Oriel College. Now question number 215. Amoris de Bois, a sequence of birth letters, is the best known poetry of option A Matthew Arnold, option B Alfred Tennyson, option C Thomas Carlyle, and option D Arthur Clough. So which one is the correct answer? 215, option D Arthur Clough. Dear friend, this is the second last question of this video. तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए. Option Amoris de Bois is written in option A blank verse, option B Latin hexameter, option C Latin tetrameter, and option D ottava rima. So the correct answer is option B Latin hexameter. This is the last question, dear friends. In 1860, A.H. Clough had started a series of essays in Cornhill magazine concerning the economic and social integrity of mid-Victorian England, but was obliged to stop it soon. However, it appeared as a book by John Ruskin titled option A Modern Painters, option B The Seven Stone of Venice, option C The Christian Year, and option D Unto the Last. So option D Unto the Last. Unto this last is the correct answer of option D. These are some questions. Thank you for watching this video, dear friends.